Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be walking through exactly how to get a new account creation campaign set up with SyndCreator. So the first thing you need to do is come over here to account creation. You're going to click on this plus sign over here on the right. And then literally all you have to do is just follow these 5 simple steps that we have set up. So first step is to name the campaign. Click next. Then you just simply select the sites that you want for SyndCreator to create accounts for you on. Okay, obviously you can come in here and select all the different types and all the different sites by just clicking on this option here. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and click a couple options there, and then go ahead and click next. Then I'm going to go ahead and input a profile that's going to be used to create the accounts on these sites. And phone number, let's go ahead and just put a bunch of 2s. All right, you will want to put a valid phone number here. Whether it's your own phone number or a Google Voice phone number, because some accounts, some sites will require a phone number for you to be able to create an account on, okay? Then once you start doing this a few times, you could go ahead and save the profile, since I did only select a few sites for now for the purpose of this demo video. However, when I go and create more sites, more accounts on other sites, I can go ahead and just load a saved profile. All right, and once that's done, you go ahead and click next. And then now we are on the mail tab, okay? And there are a few steps that you do have to follow to get this going. Okay, now we will be adding an update here that will allow us to take care of this for you, while also giving you the option to connect to your own email account as well. So for now, the only option we have is for you to actually add an email for the account creation process, okay? So most people will be using Gmail, so we've laid out some very simple instructions for you to follow to get this to connect, okay? So the first step is to ensure that IMAP access is enabled on your account. So if I come over here to this account, you're going to come up here to the settings icon. You're going to click on see all settings. Then you're going to come over here to forwarding and pop IMAP. And you can see here IMAP is disabled. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enable IMAP, and then go ahead and click save changes. Then I'm going to come back here, and then you can see that the next step is to enable the less secure apps options here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and you can see right now this is turned off. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. Come back over here, and you can see connection test will likely be unsuccessful, but this is to be expected. At this point, you should receive an email from Google notifying of a blocked sign-in. Click the option that signifies this was you. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and input this information that you saw there. Oh, no, it's this one here. Sorry, it's Gmail. Port 993. That's not the email that I want to use. Gmail.com. So password. All right, and now you can see that it's starting to, it went ahead and tried to connect again, but like we mentioned at the top, that it will have an unsuccessful sign-in. So you can see here, you're going to get an email like this that says critical security alert. You're going to click on that. You're going to check the activity, and then you're going to go ahead and click on yes, it was me. Okay, let me go ahead and follow these steps one more time. Go ahead and click continue. And you can see account access is enabled. And now go ahead and retry to connect to the device application again. Okay, so I went through all of this. The connection was clearly unsuccessful, as you saw when I showed you this email. And then we were still unable to connect. So then what we did is we went ahead and visited this last step to give that access again. All right, and if I go ahead and click this option now, you will see that it connected successfully, and I do have the option to go to the next step, okay? And now the final step is to go ahead and connect a SynLab account. You can input your login email address and password, and you'll be able to select different groups. I'm going to go ahead and load up this pre-saved account just to make it easier. and you can go ahead and select which group you want those accounts to be sent to. Okay, and then you can also save the SyndLab account so that you can continue to use that in the future. And that is it. Once this is done, I go ahead and hit start, and the account creation process is going to begin. And not only is it going to go ahead and create these accounts, but it's going to send it to that SyndLab account as well. Okay, so that's how simple it is to go ahead and create a SyndCreation account campaign from start to finish. And again, as you saw, the most somewhat complicated step is inputting the mail settings, but besides that, it is as simple as it gets. And like I mentioned, we will be doing an update that will give you the option to have us handle the mail settings for you as well. And you can see right there, within a few seconds, this one has been done already, and you see the updated status as well. So that's it. Go ahead and start creating your accounts with SyndCreator.